The human tongue is covered with thousands of tiny taste buds that allow us to detect 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. These taste buds send signals to our brain, helping us enjoy food and avoid harmful substances. Besides tasting, the tongue is also essential for speech and swallowing. Snakes have a very different use for their tongues. Their tongues are forked and flick rapidly in and out to collect tiny scent particles from the air. These particles are then delivered to a special sensory organ called the Jacobson's organ, located inside their mouths. The Jacobson's organ is incredibly sensitive and helps snakes smell their environment by detecting chemical signals. This ability guides them in hunting prey, avoiding predators, and finding mates. Because the tongue is forked, snakes can sense the direction of a scent by comparing the chemical information collected by each side. This unique adaptation gives snakes a powerful way to explore their surroundings